Hi everyone. Today I just do like a testing video. So before I did a lot of like the tutorials for Unity, and now I'm thinking about maybe I can have some tutorials or like some shows just for talking, more like a high conceptual videos. So yeah, just make videos as my daily life. Yeah, share some of my thinkings, and those videos they are more like I hold an iPhone and start talking. Yeah, not really like high cost stuff. So just have a try. Okay, so today my topic is about augmented reality. Yeah, because like recently I've been working on some augmented reality stuff, so I want to share stuff with you guys about the area and what's the future look like. Yeah, okay, so first, what's augmented reality? Augmented reality is basically you use your phone and overlay on top of your real environment, and you can see the information overlay on top of your screen. That's augmented reality. Then what's the mixed reality? Mixed reality is, for example, like a Microsoft HoloLens. It's mixed reality, and basically there will be a camera in front of the lens, and when you look out, and the camera will receive the real environment and upload to the cloud, and then kind of spot where's the space, and then they will create another space overlay with it, similar to VR, but it's kind of simulate to your real environment. And then they will do some, for example, like storytelling on top of that. So that's called mixed reality. And what's virtual reality? Virtual reality basically is a headset totally block your view and kind of regenerate the reality. Totally forget about the real reality, is kind of generate another new reality out of it. Yeah, so that's called virtual reality. So those three. Yeah, so what I wanna trying to say today is that augmented reality is more for business, marketing, and virtual reality is more like immersive. For example, like a game or therapy, because you are so immersive in the situation or inside the environment, so you will block out yourself from the real reality. So there's another market, for example, like a therapy, like some veterans after they retire from the battlefield, and some of them got like I don't know, they couldn't really adapt to the real world. So it's good to have like the virtual reality therapy to help them get out of or get used to or adapt to real life. And as for gaming, it's because like virtual reality starts from gaming, so you can totally immersive and play your game. So today, and then for augmented reality is more for business marketing. For example, if you can look up online, there are a lot of cool apps right now. For example, like a Domino, like a pizza. You can totally overlay with your phone and then play some pizza games. And then more like engaging with people, or like for example, like some like the Stranger Thing. For example, like I saw one app which you can use your phone and overlay a poster, and you can totally be immersive inside an upside down world. So basically, augmented reality is more for brand promotion. I would say more for branding, marketing, And virtual reality is more for immerse yourself, change your perception, and get some, for example, like therapy, or immerse yourself and learning something deeply with your empathy. And for example, like a travel. Yeah, you can travel around the world, go to like, for example, like Paris, and you can wear virtual reality goggle, and you can imagine yourself inside that place. And then you can also play games, and you can get more immersive like a experience. How about mixed reality? Mixed reality is kind of mixed, and it's expensive because augmented reality, everyone has a phone, right? So augmented reality basically is like it's available access by everyone, so it's really good for branding and marketing. As for mixed reality is, because it's so expensive, for example, like a Magic Leap basically, like, it depends on how you do your project. For example, like if you just overlay the information on top of your reality, we can call it augmented reality glass. But if you kind of remapping the environment, and you can call it mixed reality glass. In HoloLens, Microsoft HoloLens is basically, they are so expensive. It's like a 3,200 to 2,500, 3,000 at least per one goggle. It's too expensive. So basically you can do it for example, like surgery, like medical stuff, like some expensive learning. Yeah, for example, medical manufacturer, kind of like you can wear the goggle and kind of fix, for example, like airplane. I can teach or help people like in Taiwan or in somewhere in Japan, and we can sync into a cloud, and then we can totally communicate with that, and we can totally use mixed reality to communicate and fix the something like an airplane, or like some high, like super complicated and expensive stuff. So that's about it. So yeah, I mean, those will be big if IoT, Internet of Things, started next year, because everything will be 5G, become 5G next year. So 5G means that the internet will become faster, and you can pretty much live stream HD or higher on your phone. So yeah, and you can totally like have like everything will be faster and better. Yeah, so the world will be more connected, and smart home, everything will be smarter. So yeah, so when IoT, like if we are in the era of IoT, then with all the XR means AR, VR, MR, XR will be even mature because the platform is getting better. So the next, probably start from next year, I believe that the world will change for the better. Yeah, thanks for watching, and see you next time. If you have any comments, please feel free to leave the message under it. Thank you. Bye bye.